Hey guys and gals, this is Stu and Rudy from ProCivic.com, and in this video we're going to be installing the modulo style side skirt for a 2012 to 2014 Civic sedan, and this is a 2014 Sedan SI right here.
Alright, so now we're going to start applying the double-sided tape on here, and basically you have your standard roll. You're just going to apply it on here. It works best if you apply like a small section on this area and then cut it and then continue your way around, just because this angle is a pretty sharp angle. So let's go ahead and start with that. And as you're applying it, you want to make sure it's pretty straight. So right there, I'll go ahead and cut that off. Now I'll go ahead and start with the other side. Now you'll notice that you might want to trim off the leading edge there also. If not, you're gonna double up on the tape, and it's just gonna make a gap when you apply this. So right here, I'll just trim the excess off. And that's pretty much it. You just continue your way down, and you're going to do the same thing on the other side once you get to the other end. And here we are coming up on the other end here, and you just want to kind of slowly apply this as you're going around the curve. And that should do it.
So we already have the car jacked up and we took off both the wheels. That's obviously the first step. And then what you're going to need to do is take off this front mud flap here. It's really easy to do. You just need a Phillips head.
Alright, so next step is basically going through and prepping your car to finalize the installation on this. First thing, we did dry fit this. You want to kind of put it on there, test it on, make sure that there's not going to be any kind of weird issues that come up. One other thing is that helps a lot with filing down this area. There's like a sealant or a caulking almost. It does interfere a little bit with the skirt, so I went ahead and marked it, and I'm just going to file it down a little bit. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and wipe the surface area down where the adhesive is going to stick, and we should be good to go. So let's get started.
So after you're done filing everything, you want to dry test it again just to make sure that it fits properly and you don't need to file it anymore. That's real important before you actually install it. So we're just going to go like this, lining this rear edge up with the notch that you already filed. And it looks like a good fitment. The middle, of course, bows out just a little bit because we haven't removed the tape, but we're going to do that next. So let's take it off. And to get the tape started, we kind of already got the tape started just to speed things up. But you're going to want a sharp X-Acto style blade. And to remove the adhesive backing on the tape, you're just going to insert the tip of the blade underneath the backing and just kind of pry up. So that's what we did here. And you want to remove it to the point where you can see the adhesive backing coming out, so you'll be able to grab it later and remove the whole thing. All right, so now we have the tape all started here, the backing is showing on all the areas we put tape. So we're going to basically place it on here, and then we're going to slowly remove the backing as we press against the car to make sure it adheres really well. All right, let's get started.
All right, so now we're going to go ahead and finalize the installation of the side skirt. And the final step basically is drilling the holes for the mounting screws and using the supplied screws. There's a total of 7 holes, and we're going to be using our 7/64 drill bit. It's a little bit smaller than what's required, but it's best for a tight fitment. So let's go ahead and get started.
All right, so we finished installing the modulo style side skirts on our 2014 Civic SI sedan. And as you can see, we had them paint matched to the car. It's a really good paint match, looks great. That's totally optional. You can see how it looks for yourself. You know, you can kind of mock fit it up to the car, see how you like it in the natural black finish. We just thought this particular setup looked better in white, went well with the mud flaps here, the mud guards, and the Type A front lip we have. So hope you enjoyed the install video. Remember to subscribe to our channel to check out all the other videos we have coming out. And we'll be back again soon next time. Thanks again.